Hi everybody, Josiah here, also known as Chilling Silence, and we have a lot to cover today, so we're going to dive straight into it. Starting with the code signing with the extended validation certificate for DigiByte Core version 7.17.3. Longtime viewers know how much I absolutely love saying that, but anyway, whatever. Big thanks to the DigiByte Awareness team for sponsoring this certificate, which is pretty cool. So, we might even now be able to get onto the App Store for Windows and potentially for macOS as well, which is pretty cool. If you come along now to the DigiByte Core releases page, if we scroll down, we've got the blurb about it here, but now you can see we've got the signed release here, which is pretty important. So when you download it, if you grab yourself the signed release, you shouldn't any longer be getting any kind of error messages when you install it on Windows. So I've tested it out. Beautiful, works brilliantly, there's no error, there's no Chrome going, hey, we don't know who's basically made this, where it's from. Again, Microsoft as well, with Windows going, yeah, sure, this is signed, executable. You basically just click run. It's super great. Don't know why we've got the unsigned up there. We can get rid of that later, whatever. Anyway, so this is really cool. Like I mentioned, from here, now what we can do is potentially, now we have this extended validation certificate, we're looking at how we can potentially distribute DigiByte Core Wallet through the Microsoft App Store. So when you install Windows, down the bottom you've got your little store button, and it's a really convenient way to install applications and things. So this could be really cool. We'll see how it goes. No promises, but it's something that we're looking into. I've been working on building the MSIX package that they require. Just waiting to hear back from Microsoft now, so that could be pretty awesome. Really excited about that. Again, big thank you to the DigiByte Awareness team for sponsoring that code signing certificate. One of the other things too, speaking of up-and-coming future releases, I'm really hopeful that we'll be able to, again, further improve on this. Just a little bit of shit posting, I suppose. So we have the Bitcoin mining distribution, the Litecoin mining distribution, the Doge mining distribution. I couldn't find one that was in the same sort of circular graph. And then we've got DigiBytes, which is way better. It can still improve though, because obviously you can see this one here, and it needs to improve. Hopefully this is something that will improve with DigiByte version 8 as we go through the process of looking at algorithms to replace and things like that. So follow along on the GitHub, stay educated, stay informed, have your say on what's going to happen. Really looking forward to that. Now, one of the cool things that's happened is Gardarian, I believe is how you pronounce that, have gone and added DigiByte to their platform. So this is pretty cool. Really cheesy, and I absolutely love it. I think it's great. I'm a big Marvel fan. But if you go to the website, they allow you to purchase with the likes of Apple Pay, Google Pay, your Visa, your MasterCard, bank transfers, and things like that as well, which is pretty cool. So you can scroll down. Where are we? Yeah, here we go. Apple Pay, Google Pay. So, a big thank you to Gardarian for adding DigiByte to their platform. I think it's great that people have an additional way to buy and sell, trade their DigiByte, do whatever they want with it. I think that's awesome. So, thank you to them. Speaking of, we have LCX are finally going ahead with the listing announcement, so they've gone and done a partnership with the DigiByte Foundation, which is pretty cool. You'll be able to, again, in the same vein as before, buy, sell, trade your DigiByte on their platform, which is pretty awesome. Now, these guys are sponsoring the DigiByte Foundation too, which is pretty cool, so thank you to them. I think it's really exciting. Looking forward to seeing that up there as well for people. Speaking of the DigiByte Foundation, they're doing quite well because we've got LockTrip have enabled DigiByte as a payment method, and they too are also sponsoring the DigiByte Foundation, which is fantastic to see. And so they mention here, where are we? Yeah, we can come down here and see that they talk about DigiByte being utilized through LockTrip. They're going to give us special discounts as well, which is going to be pretty cool. So really looking forward to seeing that. Nice little blurb here from their CEO. We are thrilled to welcome DigiByte to our growing family and see this partnership as a key move towards the expansion of LockTrip within the crypto space, which is quite cool. You can go to their website. Now, I mean, I know, let's be honest, it's COVID. How much travel are people doing at the moment? Oh, I don't know. Hopefully you're out there, you're getting vaccinated, so you'll be able to travel through the world as per previously. I'm so excited. I'm actually really looking forward. I'd love to go to Italy with my wife, maybe to London as well. So, I mean, I'm aware both of those are hot spots, if you will, but Once we're vaccinated, I'm keen as. But coming down here, pay with crypto, really excited. I'd love to see DigiByte in there. I think that's going to be pretty cool. I don't know if they are going to put us there. Maybe we should ask the DigiByte Foundation about that. But it's cool. Yeah, so why choose LockTrip? Save a bunch of money, which sounds fantastic. Especially given I've been off work thanks to the motorbike accident. Yay! But I'm, again, looking forward to being able to use LockTrip, potentially in the future to do some booking of some travel. Excited. One final thing here, we've got Anthem ID are soon to be launching my solar bridge. I don't know a lot about this, but I sort of thought I'd throw this in here. I don't normally do things before they're launched, but this is interesting. Anthem ID have been pretty great. They've got a good track record of their product and having delivered with it, so I'm okay with kind of just putting this out here. So they're talking about solar energy mining. Really excited to see where this goes. Keep us informed, Anthem ID. I'll give Jan a message and see where he's at. Anyway, that's going to be all from me for today. I hope you've enjoyed this. Consider leaving a like, subscribe, hit the share button. You can reach me on Twitter. I'm at DGB_chilling, or in the comment section down below. I'll include links to everything from today. Otherwise, I'll talk to you in the next video, and we'll see you soon. Cheers.